everyone on osteoporosis drugs. Doctors write 37 million prescriptions for them each year. And since we first reported on the link between these drugs and otherwise strong bones becoming brittle, there has been a groundswell of concern. And tonight we have a dramatic new piece of advice. Doctors recommending a kind of drug holiday. And our chief health and medical editor, Dr. Richard Besser, has the story.
Sandy Potter was jumping rope with neighborhood children when it happened to her.
I went up in the air and came straight down to the ground.
Her thigh bone didn't just break, it literally snapped in two.
The pain was excruciating.
Sandy had been taking a drug to prevent osteoporosis for 8 years. Since we first reported on her break, study after study has confirmed long-term use of osteoporosis drugs carries a small but important risk. Strong bones can become brittle and break. Now, new advice for how to use these incredibly beneficial drugs while minimizing the risk of fracture. First, discuss with your doctor taking a drug holiday, a 1 to 2 year break from the drugs. It's been shown to dramatically reduce the risk of fracture immediately. Next, doctors should no longer put their patients on the drugs indefinitely.
We used to think you could treat for 5 or 10 years without any real need of ever stopping it. And I think this has forced people to think about it.
And finally, if you're on these drugs and have leg pain, see your doctor right away. It could mean you're about to break your leg. Dr. Richard Besser, ABC News, New York.